One apple. One apple. Can you say one? One apple. Two cars. Two cars. Let's count them together. One, two. Two cars. Three carrots. Three carrots. One, two, three. Great job. Three carrots. Four teddy bears. Four teddy bears. One, two, three, four. Can you say four? Four teddy bears. Five bananas. Five bananas. Let's count together. One, two, three, four, five. You did it. Five bananas. Six balls. Six balls. Count with me. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six bouncing balls. Seven strawberries. Seven strawberries. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Yummy. Seven strawberries. Eight building blocks. Eight building blocks. Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Well done. Nine tomatoes. Nine tomatoes. Can you count them with me? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine tomatoes. 10 toy trains. 10 toy trains. Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Amazing. 10 toy trains.